Hey guys, we're out here today working on this project in Otsego, Michigan, and there's just a few things I really want to point out here because I think it's a good opportunity to do some learning. This roof was actually only about 4 years old. No one wants to replace a 4-year-old roof, but what's more disappointing than that is the people who live here recently bought the home, and so they bought this home with this roof that they thought was in good condition and thought they were going to have for a long time, and it ended up leaking in quite a few places. And we're going to do a separate video and talk about why the roof leaked and what went wrong. But the point I wanted to talk about for a minute is when you're buying a home, you really want to make sure you know what you're purchasing. And we see a lot of people giving us calls with roof trouble that are waiving their inspections when they buy the home, and then within 6 months or a year they're having different things pop up as issues, and they get really frustrated because there's nothing they can do to go back and get that taken care of. So there's a couple of different options. One, we always recommend getting a home inspector out to take a look at your property. I know the housing market's super competitive, and you may be inclined to waive inspections to help your offer stand out. I did sell real estate myself for a while, and one of the things we would do is we would reserve the right for inspections, but we would write in there that we would not ask for any repairs. So that's one option if you're not going to use your standard 10-day window for inspections. Another option is when you're looking at the house, have a contractor come and look at it. You don't have to have a home inspector look at the roof, and sometimes home inspectors are deferring the roofing portion to us anyway. We're always happy to help, but have a roofer take a look at the roof. Maybe have an HVAC contractor take a look at the HVAC system. If there's anything that looks even remotely alarming, you want to make sure you understand what you might be running into the first few years in your home. So like I said, this is kind of an unfortunate situation, but we wanted to share this and hope that some others can gather some learning so that maybe you don't have to go through this same situation. Thanks, guys.